Welcome back, everyone. This is the MNT-150 Digital Calipers. I got this in Micro Center recently because I got a 3D printer and I want to measure things accurately. So I found this at the store, and it goes from 0 to 150 millimeters. Let's see. Hey Siri, how many inches in the 150 millimeters?
150 millimeters is
5.91 inches. So 0 to 5.91 inches. Okay. Uh, and you can see it here, sort of. It's 6 inches. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what we got. I didn't want to get the plastic version of the caliper. There's some calipers that you can get at the 99-cent store. Well, I've seen them. Who knows if you'll ever see them again at the 99-cent store. But I did see a plastic version. Ooh, nice. You get a little towel to clean. And I'm guessing, because I don't read, it looks Chinese, maybe the qualified products and maybe the accuracy. June 30th of 2025, so it's recent. Some instruction. Digital Caliper Instruction Manual. Ooh, looks like that there's different versions. I have the MNT. I'm not sure which one this one is. Maybe this one or this one. We'll find out. Oh, look at that. Operational manual features. Oh, that's interesting. Step measure, depth, inside, outside, and so forth. Definitely I'm going to have to figure out how to read that. Okay. Definitely going to need to know how to do that. Little tiny screwdriver. Phillips. Nice. You get a battery. LR44. Okay. It says it has no mercury. Something to keep things dry. Ooh. And then our stainless steel caliper. Very nice. Very nice. Let's open this up. Ooh. Not sure if that's supposed to be loose. Maybe. Ooh, look at that. 0, right? There, look at that. Not sure why this is loose. Is it supposed to be loose? Look at that. Oh, I don't like that. It's kind of loose there. And you can change it into inches. 1.3 inches. If yours is loose like this, tell us. Ooh. Gives you METR ISO and Whitworth. I'm not sure what these are. Maybe a 1/4 inch is 4.75 millimeters. What is it? 475? Close enough. 0.187 inches. Okay. And then, not sure what this is. Can that hold? Yeah, that keeps it in place. Okay. Let's say you're measuring something like this. Right? Oh, I don't like that looseness. Supposedly, that's 0.513 inches or 13 millimeters. Right? That's if I'm doing this right. And over here, 52.61 millimeters. Millimeters. That's right. That's kind of flimsy. But maybe it needs to be so it won't get stuck. Nice. Here's the back side. There's a screw there. It tells you here the battery that you need, 1.55 volts, LR44. Okay, we knew that. And probably you change the battery here. That's why they gave you this. And it does fit. You can turn it off. Very nice. Now let's see. It's this one. It's this version right here. Seems like it has to be in a certain temperature range. Storage temperature. Interesting. Maybe because of the metal. I don't know. Well, maybe I'll find another video. Very interesting, isn't it? Set of 0 inches off, inches, and 0. And I guess you could be at some place, put it into 0, and then measure some more. Be interesting to know how to measure that area there. Let's see. The top says inches. Oh, okay. The top says inches. The bottom is millimeters. But how do you measure this side, right? Well, that's interesting. Let's see. I didn't read that, did I? So this was in inches. 1.3 inches? That doesn't look right, does it? That says it's 2 inches. 1 inch should be here, right? Oh, look at this. Okay, there's something really wrong here. Okay, maybe I'm not reading this right. Ooh, oh, of course. That's because I didn't set, I had to reset it, remember? Ooh. So I got reset. Oh, okay, that makes sense. All right. All right, there we go, in inches. There we go, that's better. Okay, almost 2.1, see that? That is interesting, okay. Okay. And the top, I'm not sure where you would get the top. You probably would have to subtract. Again, I got this so that I can measure things when I do my 3D printing. Now let's see. Let's put this back. You can wipe this. And it does have a piece of plastic. We'll leave it there. Fits nicely there. Do I need the instructions? Maybe. Might be bad to keep them. The battery. It looks like it has, or it had another accessory. You probably put your screwdriver. I'll put this like this. Let's see. Okay. And we have this here. Closes very nicely. The drying agent. Probably want to put that in here too. And these other things as well. Okay. Well, you got to see what the MNT-150 DEGUO, or there could be a Q, MNT Digital Calipers. It fits very nicely in the box. All right. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And actually, we have another number here, MNT-951101 Digital Calipers. I hope that was something that is useful. Please leave the comments below, and if you get one, tell us if you like it. All right. Have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.